let me ask you something. What's the easiest way to lose your trading account? Weak security, that's it. But we're gonna fix it today. I'm Yassi, and in under 2 minutes, I'll exactly show you how to turn on two-factor authentication or 2FA on your Opofinance application. Let's make sure your account is locked down. So first, let's start with opening the application. At the top left, tap your name or the profile icon, and this will take you to a new page. Select Setting. From there, go to Security section. And now here comes the most important part. Tap on two-factor authentication. You'll see a QR code. If your phone can scan it, great. Go ahead and scan it with the Google Authenticator application. And if it cannot scan it, no problem. Don't worry. Just copy the code right below the QR and paste it manually into the application. Once that's done, enter the 6-digit code that Google Authenticator gives you and tap Enable. And that's it. Your account is now protected with 2FA. Super simple, incredibly important. Believe me, these 2 minutes can save you a whole lot of stress. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, because we've got more quick and powerful tutorials coming your way. Stay smart, stay secure. Catch you on the next one.